Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. Today's topic of discussion is autonomous assassins, means autonomous war. So what happens actually in case of autonomous war? So here normally the future planning is to use drone swarms. So in an autonomous war, the human commander, yes, the human commander, not the machine, the human commander might only set the mission. The human commander might set only the mission, okay? And after that, what happens? After that, machines take over. And when they are airborne, they are means here drone swarms. When they are airborne, you just can't call them back. Only one thing you can do, and that is you can hope they run out of fuel before they run out of targets. And many experts are saying that we are building machines, or better to say, we are building weapons we can't control. Experts are saying that we are building weapons we can't control. And international treaties could ban fully autonomous lethal systems. But the enforcement of the same thing would be nearly impossible. And once this autonomous war begins, once this autonomous war begins, then there would be no chance to stop it. There would be no chance to stop the war. Only one way is there. You need to destroy the drone swarms physically, and which is very difficult in the middle of a war. Actually, it could be too late because number of drones involved in the war may be more than 1,000, maybe more than 1,000,000. It depends. And only one thing you can do in the middle of a war: you need to destroy all the drones physically. So what are actually drones here? Each drone in a swarm is a sensor. Each drone in a swarm is a sensor, a weapon, and a decision maker. And all these, say, in the war, 1,000, or say, better to say here, assume just 1,000,000 drones are involved. And these groups of 1,000,000 drones are driven by AI, that is artificial intelligence. Means this is nothing but AI driven system. And they share, means the drones share targeting data through encrypted links. And they are programmed, they are taking life and death decisions. They are able to take life and death decisions. And what are drones? No human pilots are there. Those are actually unmanned aerial vehicles. Aerial vehicles. No human pilots are there. Since no human pilots are there, that means there is no question of fatigue. So no fatigue, no fear, no hesitation, no mercy. Just cold, calculated execution. Yes, this is the case of autonomous war, where the soldiers means machines actually. There is no human soldier. If human soldier is involved in the war, then you know that since those are humans, that means that they have to some extent a level of say for example mercy is there, hesitation is there, means all the human emotions are there. But since these are machines and they are programmed, so they can, means according to the requirement, they are able to take life and death decisions, whether to attack or to ignore. They are able to recognize a heat signature from above. They are able to recognize a human face from above. Means when they are airborne, they are able to do all these things. Even they can identify a moving vehicle. And you know, speed involved is here so fast. And decision making is also so fast. So everything would go out of control once the war begins. Because at the very beginning of the war, human commander is involved. He just sets the mission. After that, machines take over everything. Okay, and since those are machines, so you know, they don't have any consciousness. They can't actually. They actually don't know. We use the terms mercy, hesitation, fear. Okay, and since those things are not actually humans, that means there is no question of fatigue. So the war means you can stop the war only by physically destroying all the swarms. And you don't think like this, that all the swarms are moving in the same path. Means all the swarms are moving, are following the same path. Then destroy them might become easier. Okay, that is not the case. That is not the scenario. Yes, you can take down few of them, but immediately the rest reorganize themselves in few seconds. They are able to do this. If you block one path, they actually move like a school of fish. Okay, so if you say, for example, you are blocking the path of one drone, okay, in that case, what might happen? They find another, the rest of the swarm find another path immediately. They are trained this way, and trained means they are programmed to do all these things. So if number of drones involved in the war is more than 10,000 or more than 1,000,000, then you can easily guess the scenario. So here all the drone of swarms are actually AI driven. Okay, anyway, so this is the dark side of the drone swarms. What is the dark side? Because once the war begins, once the autonomous war begins, there will be no way to stop the war. Okay, unless and until you could physically destroy all the drones in the swarm, means drone swarms. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and if you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.